Hey, I got used to my camera, getting better at it each and every time. I had the screen on like what you call widescreen or black bar screen. You know, you get those black bars on top and bottom. And now I got full screen. I like this house. They always decorate nicely. They do a great job indeed. There you go. Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining me today. How's everybody doing on this BFD day? I did a video, it's low light, and showing you how the camera can perform in very well low lit situations. And later on, you know, it's overcast, not a great day, and yeah, you can get the idea how now this camera performs in another low lit situation. Not a great day. Well, as you know, there's always a humma in the group. Right, Santa? You always get one of those people in the group. You got it, buddy. I gotta get going. Santa did a great job, man. He told you like it was. Well, let me tell you, if you're a little too old to those Santa things, maybe Mickey will help you out. Hey, Mickey, how you doing, buddy? Oh, Mickey is really happy. He's got that spot hiding at the corner. Not about a return. Not nice what people do, man. They break windows for what? Why'd they get that they left the easy pass? There must have been something of importance that they had to break. Oh, never know, right? Do I have to check that? Because that box was empty. I haven't had a good Black Friday deal, and that's what went back to the store. Oh, was it? I'm not dipping my camera in, but you got quiet. Oh yeah. I remember walking in the city, going to a steakhouse, and there was this big 150-gallon tank in the window, and the fish were frozen. Yeah, dead of winter, man. We were just as cold as those fish, man. That thing was frozen. And it was like a restaurant store. I'm not sure if the windows were broken or whatnot. No heat, nothing. And, you know, that was a good memory indeed. Well, I'm gonna go get my breakfast, cup of joe, sit back, put my stuff on the editor, and try to put it together a good story. I got my low light, I got this nasty day, and maybe, you know, it won't rain as heavy as they say it will. And I got some things to take care of, and I hope you have a happy day. On that note, I'm Fish, and I'll catch you on many other videos to come. Enjoy your GoPro.